Hello everyone, I'm Prachi Chaturvedi, the artist behind the YouTube channel Prachi Chaturvedi Art, and today I'm not going to make a video which is a tutorial or an art video of some creation of mine, but it is an unboxing video of an art supply which I recently bought during the Boxing Day sale in Canada. So basically this is an art supply which I bought. It is from Artist Loft, and this is not a sponsored one, so I'm just making randomly because I never bought this big huge set of 48 shades, and I was excited to make something out of it because I had used a big size tubes, big size paint boxes and tubes and containers of Artist Loft. I had used a lot, but this is my first time using a 48 pieces set of acrylic paint, which is 21 ml each. So here you go. So here is it. It's my brand new 48 pieces acrylic paint set, which is by Artist Loft. If you can see, the name is written here, and yeah, on each tube as well. So I'm just opening it. So the box is quite big enough, and if you tilt it a bit and look on the outside, here, this is not the bottom portion. This is how we open the box. It's like this. You just need to open it this way, and you can find all these palettes in a different tray. I mean, all these paints in a different tray. So in short, you have a few trays in it. This is the second one I'm taking out, the third and the fourth, which is the last one. So these are all kept in this box, which is not teeny tiny, if you can see. And I just take it on the side, and this is the cover of the box, which shows that each tube is of 21 ml. And this acrylic paint is level 1. So those who are beginners and those who want to paint something with acrylic and they are confused which paint to buy, this is a good brand, I would say. And this 48 pieces set has so many varieties of all the shades you can think of. Like if you're thinking about yellow, you can see the skin tone or the bright lemon yellow or white or off-white, cream, pink, red. So you have many shades. Even the black has so many. I mean, it's jet black and whatever. I'll see when I'll see the box and I'll show you. It's transparent here, and so you can see through the size of the tube. Like this is, if I keep it in my hand, in my palm, it's this size, which is 21 ml. Just opening it. So here you go. It's bright red and it's good, actually good enough. So here you can see, in short, it's written in different languages. Well, I read English, so I can read English. So I'm reading Artist Loft acrylic paint set. Yeah, the stamp and whatever, the address of the company. So it shows the level 1. This is level 1, good enough for the one who are beginners and those who are learning. And believe me, it's not just like if you're learning you can only use this one. For a very long time, for years, I have been using Artist Loft paint, which is a brand by Michael Stores, if you know. So while living in the US, I had been using this paint for a very long time. It's just I have not bought this 48 pieces set acrylic paint. I have been using big and small tubes, but not this one. So I'm just I just thought to make a video for you all, just to evaluate if it is worth enough to buy or not. So when you go to Michael's stores, you see this brand and you feel like this is good to buy. And I would say if you go to Michael's, like now I'm here in Canada, so this is my first time I bought this huge box of 48 pieces set by Artist Loft, and I don't think you can get a better deal in any other brand in this rate, in this price. So I just bought this in, like, I got 30% off when I was buying this from the store. And if you're in US, you can wait for some other special days when you get more discount, which is more than $30, 30% I mean. So you may get that in like $40, 40% discount. Yeah, so it was around, like, I think I got that in $35, I guess, this box after discount. So it was around $45 in Canada, and I believe in the US it was lesser. It was lesser because if you compare Canadian dollar and the US dollar is more than that in value. So being an Indian, I compare. So USD is $1 is around like 73 rupees. That means $1 is 73 rupees INR, that means. And if you say $1 in Canada, so 1 Canadian dollar is around 53 rupees or 54 something, and it fluctuates. It's not like, not every day it's the same, it fluctuates. So 53 rupees equals to 1 Canadian dollar. So that's difference. But yes, in US and United States, you get better deals. But yeah, you can't get a better deal, I guess, here, because I bought this during the Boxing Sale, which is one of the best holidays in US to buy something on sale or discounted price. So let's see how these paints are. So this tube which has aqua green, and there are some other paints which are like metallic, which is not easy to find in many other brands, especially in a set like this, or even less. So this is a very rare color, light blue. I mean, light blue you can find, but this shade is not that very common. Aqua green and like copper, old gold. I mean, there is a very fine difference between bronze and old gold. You can see it. Very little different. Maybe in the video you cannot see, but it has some difference. I'll just show it to you on some paper so that you can see by yourself. So here, I love actually these amazing shades of yellow. This is parchment, unbleached titanium, Naples yellow, yellow ochre, deep yellow, and yellow ochre deep. One very interesting color which you might like when you are if you are into portraits, you don't have to mix it a lot but you can use this portrait pink, and by adding white or some other shade, by adding little red, you can, or maybe green, yes, deep green, phthalo green, you can change it to the different skin tone according to the portrait. So this is also a very important color which everybody likes. So I'm just gonna try on it, not on canvas, but I'm going to try it on a watercolor sheet. So I'm gonna try bronze. As I told that there is a very little difference between the old gold and bronze, so which is not easily available in other brands, so I'm just using it on paper. It's watercolor paper, so it looks different. It looks different. I'm not using any water. This is bronze. If you can see, it's very shiny. Here you go. You see that? Yep. So now I'm using the other shade. Sorry. This is a bit more bright. See, the metallic shade looks so beautiful if you are making something. Oh man, my tubes fell. That's okay. So that's the difference. They're shiny and very, very good. So I would say if you are using paper, be it a canvas paper or watercolor sheet or any other sheet, which is like 240 GSM or 300 GSM, it's gonna look good. If you're using canvas, I would say, like, I have been using Artist Loft paints for a very long time, so I know how they work. They're not very bad on canvas, but it's like so on canvas it's a little diluted, I would say, because they're not thick as other brands like basics. I have been using too, Liquid X, so they're good. But yeah, it's not bad, it's good, like but yes, it looks much better. It's my personal experience. It looks much better on paper instead of canvas. On canvas, if you are using, you need to use multiple layers. So I'm going to use crimson, and then I'm going to use lemon yellow, just to see how nicely the paints blend together, and it gives you the same kind of result even on canvas. So that's how it works. If you talk about consistency, the consistency of this brand is, I would say, it's thin, not thick. See, it's good, it's not bad, but it's not very thick. So like if you're using it on canvas, you might need multiple layers. So they're not bad, they're just good enough to blend. I like it, it's not that bad. But if you have to make some orders, I won't recommend you much. But yes, for expensive and big paintings, don't use these. You don't use these paints. But believe me, I've made many paintings like this, and they are beautiful. So if you take all the tubes out, you see this is just plastic, which is not strong enough to hold. It's quite clumsy, but if you keep all these paints in the tray like this, and the box, which was this, made of paper, so you can stack them, and yeah, it's good to keep. So I hope you liked this video and you liked my opening of this. I just opened this box for you just to tell how I feel about this paint and the packaging. So packaging is not bad, it's good, it's fine. I wouldn't say it's amazing, but yes, it's not bad too. So it's a good deal to buy, not to buy on full price, but to buy in a deal or a sale. It's good. If you like in US, I believe you can buy paints and art supplies even on 50% discount, which is amazing. But here in Canada, Boxing Day, I don't know, whether you can find a better deal other than Boxing Day. So on Boxing Day, there was no discount on this brand, on this set of 48 pieces, but yes, I got it from Google. On their page I got 30% discount, and I bought this, and it was in $35, which is not bad, good. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I do create many painting tutorials in most of the mediums, because I do paint in most of the mediums, and I draw, I paint, and I don't make many unboxing videos, unboxing the art supplies, but if you want, I can make many more. So I just use the art supplies and make videos out of those, not like this. So let me know in your opinion about this video, and if you want more, let me know in the comment box, in the comment section, if you liked it and if you want more videos of this kind. So bye bye, take care.